Hey guys, what's going on? It's Evan Anderson here, and today, man, I have a special treat for you guys. You guys, a lot of people always ask. I have people who say that how do I get my hair done? How did I get it twisted and different kind of stuff like that? And so today, I'm actually bringing you into a live session with my natural hairstylist, April Cobb, Hair by April Cobb. You can find her tag on Instagram or on Facebook. But right now, you guys are getting an in-house peek at, just the style, the skills going to work of April Cobb here. She's phenomenal. Now, I'm gonna let you guys in on something. Now, I'm family, so I've been knowing April had the skills as far as hair for a long time, when it went way back to, she was putting hair and stuff inside the microwave when we were growing up, right? Yeah, my bad. But right now she focuses primarily on natural hair. Primarily, I always come for my locks. I tell people she turned dreadlocks into joy locks. And so right now you got able to have the opportunity to get a sneak peek, and we're going to pick her brain a little bit because she's been all over the place doing hair shows and, styling folks here and there. And so this is your chance to, get to know April a little bit more, learn a little bit more about locks, and, and check out the fly style that I have by the end of the session, right? So first off, April, anything in particular you want to share? Let's start off with you just kind of giving a little bit of your story.
Well, hair has always been a passion of mine, and I started doing hair at a very young age. I didn't actually become licensed until 2014, last year. My quick story is that I was working at Georgia Medicare for 12 years, 11 and a half years, and when they closed the job, I just went on and did what I wanted to do, which was hair, which was my passion. Something that I've done for a very long time, just like as a side hustle. But after graduating from school from Empire, I started working here at Luxor Salon here in Savannah, Georgia. And it has been a very good move. My clientele is building up. I learn new stuff every day. And I have the absolute best clients in the world. Shout out to my clients. They're the best. So it's been a good experience. Overall, it's been a really good experience.
And that's awesome, because one of the things that anybody, if you guys have been following my blog for a while or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, one of the things that I always promote and pump is to have the entrepreneur mindset, to do things that you enjoy instead of conforming to be like everybody else and typically work the 9-to-5 lifestyle. It's a quote that says that when you do something that you like to do for work, then it doesn't feel as much like work and it's more enjoyable, and you can have pleasure in it. And when you're having pleasure in it, it just doesn't feel like work. So shout out to April on that, because I've been told that she should have had something going on as far as the hair thing. I hate to be I told you so, but
I think you just did.
I did kind of just told you so. But yeah, so that's awesome. Just that now that you're able to pursue your passion, be able to actually kind of create your own schedule, and you don't have the same worries that other people have as far as job security or walking in one day and not knowing, if you're going to have a job. It's funny that the way that your story worked out is that you worked in the field for 12 years, and then get laid off, and then you actually go into your true calling. I think that's amazing. And now you never have to actually be in a position where you have to depend on anybody again in your life. So that is one of the perks and benefits of being a hairstylist, right? So now, I know that personally that you focus on natural hair. What is it that you like about the natural hair the most?
I think I like mostly the versatility you get. The natural hair with the different textures you work with. It's not so much just one texture all the time. Everybody's hair isn't the same. And so what I really like is seeing my clients transition from relaxed to natural, or when I have clients that start off natural and want to get locks. That is like the best journey to be on with them, because it's it's a journey. I know it's a journey, but to see But I just like working with the different textures, different styles and stuff that the versatility that comes with it.
Right, right.
And your hair is a lot healthier, of course. So yeah, I think for me it's more so the styling part of it because I am an artist, and so to work with different textures and be able to come up with different styles, I think that's what I do.
So the natural hair just gives you more creativity, gives you more, you know.
Yeah, because like I said, everybody's hair texture isn't the same. So you get to, you know, it's an adjustment as a stylist because you can't use the same product for everybody all the time. But it's just, it's a good platform for me to work on, I guess, like you said. Like I said, everybody here is the same, so you always want to do different styles. And I like to be creative. I just have that creative mind, that gift.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, what's like the #1 tip that you can give to somebody, I guess, that's just getting started on their natural hair journey?
Be patient. Be patient with your hair. I always tell people, especially people who are considering blocks will teach you patience if nothing else. So to definitely be patient with your hair, and not to give up on it in the beginning. It is hard. When I started going natural for the first time, I did go back to a relaxer. So it is hard, but be patient. Find a good stylist to walk with you through the journey so that you won't make a whole lot of mistakes. But yeah, just be patient and love your hair at every stage. Whatever, you know, if you do the big chop, if you're transitioning, if you're starting your locks and they're a little bit shorter, just love your hair through every stage. You'll eventually get to your goals.
I hope y'all paying attention because this is the killer truth because the lock journey is real. Anybody who's ever attempted it, you know what I'm talking about.
It teach you patience and nothing else.
So, you know, we're taking care of the newbies. What about for somebody that's more seasoned, somebody that's been around the block a little while with the natural hair? Do you have any kind of tips or anything that you recommend for them? I mean, they already, I guess, in the journey for a while. They already done experienced the hard part. The hard part is, you know, really in the beginning. But for a person that's been natural for a while, what kind of tips do you have for them as far as like ways to just kind of spice up their look?
Come see me.
There it is. And check it out, you guys. Now, I always make jokes about this, but there's going to be a link that's located below this video that says Style C. Style C, right?
Style C.
Style C. You can go ahead and go to this link and you can go ahead and book your appointment, right? You can go ahead and book your appointment online. And it's really cool because the whole thing, you get a text message that tells you a couple of hours before your appointment and all of that good stuff. But you get to, I always make jokes about it because for some reason when I use me and my stylist cousin here, we always have technical difficulties.
In other words, he never used it.
All right, I didn't really use it. I just try to come and step in. Y'all know how it is with family. I just try to slide up in here and just go straight into a seat, but it don't really work like that because April's a professional hairstylist. She keeps a busy appointment book. That's why you need to go on Style C. Go ahead, book your appointment. Come in and get your natural hairstyle hooked up, right? Get it all done just by clicking the link, going ahead and setting your appointment. And, you know, we were just happy to be able to share some natural hair information, give you a little bit of tips about the journey if you're just getting started. And if you already on the road and you're looking for somebody to bring you a little bit of extra flavor, a little extra spice, really just to hook you up, click on the link.
You can follow me at Hair by April Cobb on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Y'all got that? Hair by April Cobb. I can still do like this on this one. Since we got that good jazz music, it's some good hair twisting music right here. That good hair twisting music right here. I've been playing with it all week. Just looking for a real reason to use it.
When is the next conference?
At the end of this month, Orlando. I gotta close my eye. Close my eye so I can look at the camera. Another phone. I got a camera.